Hi, hello all. Today I am going to explain about how to create charts in Tableau. How to create charts in Tableau. Let's sorry, uh, data. Go to data, new data source. We can select the data from this all these type of sources. Currently, I am taking data from Microsoft Excel that I had already created this sheet. Select the sheet, Excel sheet, and open. Then drag product ID here, again sales and profit here, then go to sheet. Our Tableau screen will be appear like this. Then now I am going to create a chart. Let us see. Category, I am taking category in column, then profit or loss in rows. Automatically Tableau will create a chart to you, relevant chart to you. So this is not looks like great, right? We can add some attributes to this graph. So now I am going to add some attributes to this chart. See here, for computer it is profit, and hardware also profit. Hard drive and hardware also profit. When category get profit, the bars are showing upside the curve, upside the line, x-axis. So when category get loss, it has shown in below the graph line, x-axis. See, so let us attribute some details to this graph, then it will looks like very good. So I am taking category and profit or loss. So I'm taking category, I'm putting category in color. So automatically the Tableau will change the colors for category, for each category. See here, computer in blue, hardware in thick pink and light blue. This is software in light pink. See, laptop get loss, so it is showing in below the y-axis line. So it is we can also improve this graph to most visualization way. So we can add some more attributes. So when putting cursor on the bar only, it is showing the details. Without putting the mouse pointer also, we can know the details. Let us see how it will. I am adding labels to sales. C. For hard drive 91,102 profit. For laptops 2,54,579 loss. So I can we can also no we can also size it. See, oh, for headsets 23 lakhs 18,482, so it is bigger than the remaining bars, bigger than the remaining bars. So this way also we can attribute. Let us remove the size. Okay, this way, and we can add some attribute. Okay, we can save this chart. Let us save this chart. Let us see, we can create another graph, another chart. Now it is sales and expenses. See, we can create two charts in one screen. We can create two charts in one screen. See, like this. So this is first expense, then sales, then color it. So we can create comparing sales and expenses in a single window also. This way we can create comparison chart. Now I am going to show you map type of visualization. Let us see. So here are the countries and their cities. So in which country, which city, which category gets more sale, more profit, more loss, we can observe from this graph. Based on the data quantity, it will take time, no worry. So Tableau is the great application, one of the great application in current scenario. So here I am giving color to country and I am giving city to label. Let us see. So Oslo, Norway, Germany, Berlin, London, UK, Moscow, Russia, Rome, Italy, New York, USA. Like this we can create map. See, now we can see the cities and their country. Let us see. So this is the way we can observe the see. For example, I am taking pie chart here. This is the way we can create the pie chart. Okay,